I'm going to tell you a story about a criminal, the two. Now, he lived in the city, and the king was tired of him, so he sent his guards out to catch him. They brought him back to the dungeon where he had two guards. Yes, the guards were the two jacks, the jack of hearts and the jack of diamonds. And they said to him, "You are never going to get away. We're going to keep you between us in chains and handcuffs so that you will never have a chance to escape, or the king will be mad." But what they didn't know was that the two was a very good escape artist. So even though he was between them in chains and handcuffs, at night when they took a little nap, he would wiggle, 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 and all of a sudden he was no longer between them anymore. He had escaped. Then in the morning, just to avoid being captured and beaten, he would sneak back into the prison, and they'd wake up and he'd be back between them again. Well, this made them realize he was getting away, but they weren't sure how he was doing it. And it wasn't their fault. He was just good at getting away. He was so good that, look here, he's below the two jacks. And yet somehow he could get right back in between them again, just like that. Well, they decided to change their plan. They said, we can no longer fall asleep at night. We're going to have to keep our eyes open. So they did. They kept their eyes open all night long, and they made sure he was between them. So my question for you is, did he get away? Yes, he did. And the king found out about it.